How to change Twitch chat settings. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about how you can go ahead and change your Twitch chat settings in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do so for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to the top right section of your Twitch. You're going to click on it. And from here, you're going to go over to settings. Now, once you're in settings, you go over to security and privacy. And once we come over to security and privacy, first of all, what you can do over here is make sure that you filter any messages out of your chat. Okay. So by here, you can add any blocked name or user or comment that you want to block out. Now, what you do from there is you're going to come over to your channel settings. Now, in your channel settings, what you're going to be doing is you are going to go over to moderation. And here in moderation is where the main chat settings come in. So first of all, you have suspicious users control. So you can change how much you want the harmful chat harassers or something like that. Then as we go down, chat options, you can add a non-mod chat delay if you want to, which could be a 6 delay, 4-second, 2-second delay, whatever you want. Then you can also block hyperlinks where your channel's chat will automatically delete posted URLs by anyone else other than moderators, you, or your admin. Now, then when we move on here, we have chat verification where you can have email verification on. So obviously spammers don't spam your account. And you can also add phone verification for yourself. We also move over to follower verification. And you can also move over to adding chat rules for yourself. Now that totally depends on you and whatever rules you want to add, like no cussing and so on. Just add whatever you like. It's your rules. You also have unbanned requests from users and so on. So basically, these are the chat settings and how you can change them according to yourself. So if you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.